everybody, welcome back to another video. And I got this, let's see, I believe Thursday. But I'm gonna do ipsy unbagging now, so yay. February ipsy bag. Alright, check them out. First, I got these two bionic botanic fiber facial mask, and it's from BioBell, and yeah, it's enhanced skin natural glow. So it's with wild rose and vitamin C. It's hashtag I woke up like this, and hashtag stay gorgeous. And I'm super excited to check them out, which I got a bunch of freaking face masks from Christmas. So this month's bag, it says hashtag ipsy much love. And this has a little phone, like little text messages. It's like, yeah. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's get to the bag. I already opened it, but I have not tried any of the products yet. So first thing I pick up is this. It's a butter lipstick and ripe berry. Let's get some swatches. This is a full product, and super buttery. So super excited to try this out. It got the smell to it too. No, it just smells like lipstick. Okay, next thing I pull out is this eyeshadow. It's a cream pigment eyeshadow from Febuary Cosmetics, and the cat London cream pigmented, but kind of wish it was in this plastic, but have not swatched it yet. This is what it looks like. And oh my goodness, that's so pigmented. This is what it looks like right there, and look how bright that is. Super pigmented, and so I think next is this. It's an eyeliner. It's just, I do not like the freaking the pencil eyeliner, because when you like get down to the thing, it's wood and it's hard to freaking, it'll scrape your eyelids. So I know you could sharpen it, but well, if you don't have a sharpener and you can't do it, I'll do a swatch, but I am not gonna. Probably not gonna use it. Just give it to my mom or something, because I already got like 2 eyeliners right now. I don't really need it. So and I got last thing right here, a full. This is the first time it ever happened in ipsy get 2 full products. This is Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volume Lash Waterproof Mascara. And this is the brush. I kind of look forward to using this. So, yeah. So that's it for Ipsy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you got Ipsy, let me know what you got. Like, leave your video down below so I can check it out and see what you guys got. So yeah, that's it for my Ipsy unboxing. And stay tuned for in a week. Yeah, in a week. And I'll be reviewing these products. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to be you. Stay fabulous. And I'll see you next time. Bye.